everyone. My name is Agam and this is my teammate Sabrina.
Hello!
We are Team Alganovic from Indonesia and we are proud to show you our project. Second Eye. Second Eye is a smart spoon that can help blind people eat safely and happily. The theme that we chose for our project was Tech for Wellness and Equity for All. We chose this theme because we were inspired by the condition that my teammate Sabrina's dad has. He had cataract stage 4, but fortunately it's already been surgery and cured. But we asked, what if other people could have this condition and we wouldn't want them to struggle? So that's why I made Second Eye. Here is. Now we will skip this for reducing run time. And so here is the problem. 2.2 billion people worldwide have vision impairment problems. 43 million are fully blind. This is a problem because at meal times, hot liquids and food cause an estimated of 180,000 burn deaths annually. Food allergies affect roughly 1 in 13 children and up to 10.8% of all adults. They also lose their independence because they require someone else to put the food on their plate. That is why we made Second Eye. I will explain this later. This is Second Eye, and here is how it works. It is a spoon with a clear casing so you can see all the parts inside. There is a tiny endoscope camera at the handle so you can see the food that's on your plate. It will give the picture to the Teachable Machine AI in the computer, and the Teachable Machine AI will recognize what food it is and tell you what it is from the voice feedback. And it can also detect if it's your allergy. You can put in your allergy into the spoon and it'll check if that food may contain your allergy. If it does, there is a buzzer inside the casing and it will buzz whenever it's dangerous. There's also a temperature sensor. So if it's too hot, the buzzer goes buzz. Now, to show you in real time how it works, we'll have Sabrina.
Thank you, Agam.
Thank you, Agam. This is Second Eye. I built the casing, wiring, and hardware by hand using affordable components like Arduino Nano, NTC10K, and Piezo buzzer. Now, I will demonstrate this spoon. Ya, kayak gitu. So that is how Second Eye works. Now, I will pass it back to Agam.
Thank you very much. Now, you may have heard there's also other competitors that can also help blind people eat, but these competitors lack things that we don't. See, one of them is a smartphone app, so you need to hold this phone in one hand and the spoon in the other. That's rather inconvenient because you don't have free hands. None of them really have detecting food temperature or your allergy. Most of them don't work fully offline and they're usually expensive. That's where Second Eye comes in. It's a spoon, so you have your hands free while you're eating. Detects food temperature, your allergy. It is cheap, works fully offline, and child and elderly friendly. We trained, benchmarked, and stress tested every subsystem. Here's the data. You can check it out for yourself. In our website, we have the QR code on our banner. We're going to skip this again for reducing runtime. Now, even though this is a small device, we hope that it can reach globally. It is just the beginning, as it is the prototype, so we hope to add more features, maybe change some features, like changing the beep to a vibration, because we've done research and blind people prefer the vibrations than the beeping. Also, I really don't like the beep, it's annoying. We can add more voice feedback, make it wireless, build an app, and finally, once we're all done, we can roll it out to the world. This is the prototype up close. Again, you can check it out on the website. This is the video and the presentation, which you can also see on the website. And if at any time you doubt the things that we say in our presentation, every single fact is listed down here, and you can check them out for yourself on the website. Thank you very much, judges and everyone, for listening to our presentation. We would love to hear your feedback and answer your questions.
Thank you. That is very cool, Adam and Sabrina. So, first question is, what if there's a new food that AI has never seen before?
Well, it won't detect it, but since we're still working on it, we're going to add that new food into the database so it can recognize that new food.
Okay.
And we'll keep developing it so we can detect more and more foods.
Coba.
AI-nya mungkin bakalan jadi bingung tentang makanannya. Makanya nanti ke depannya kami ingin menambahkan lebih banyak database tentang makanan-makanan itu.
Gitu.
Tapi masih kurang dua-duanya. Apa? Maksudnya gini, but if in the future, like after the user buy this product and then there's many new foods coming in, I will keep on updating the app because in the future the spoon will have the app. Right? Jadi kan app-nya akan selalu bisa diupdate kan.
Wait, I just got a really good idea. What if we also add self-learning?
Nah, bisa juga.
Bisa.
Upload
Like
sendiri
in
gitu.
the future, like
In the future, we can make it became self-learning like
Nah,
that.
tapi sebelum jelasin self learning, kamu harus jelasin soal AI-nya, soal aplikasinya, and how the app will be updated regularly to update the database, and we also gonna train the machine learning to make them learn by themselves. Coba ulang dari pertama jawabannya.
well, of course, it would not be able to recognize the food, but that's why in the future, when we make the app, we're going to keep updating the app so it can update the database and update the spoon. We will keep updating the AI so it can recognize many more foods. And who knows, maybe in the future, we may be able to add a self-learning feature
To the
to the spoon in case it sees any new food, so it can learn about that food by itself.
Terus ini apa ke Sabrina nih? Why are the cable connected to the laptop? Why not make it wireless?
Well, it's still in prototype, and our software Pictoblocks needs USB to.
Tenang.
Pakai bahasa Indonesia juga.
Boleh ya. Ya, karena ini masih tahap prototype dan software kami Pictoblocks masih membutuhkan USB untuk terkoneksi. Nanti di masa depan kami akan menambahkan wireless feature dengan built-in battery.
Yeah. Jadi maksudnya for the real product, we want to make it 100% wireless.
Yeah. Lupa.
Iya nggak apa-apa. Maksudnya ini aku bacain lagi biar Agam tahu jawabannya apa. Jadi kalau misalnya Sabrina lupa, Agam bisa tambahin. Oke, terus why does the camera scan to play the competition?
Saya. Jadi kamera ini sangat zoom in. So the camera is very zoom in. Jika kamu mendekatkan kepada makanannya akan menjadi ngeblur dan tidak terlihat.
Iya. Jadi maksudnya pertanyaan ini lebih kayak menjelaskan
Ke kamera kan, jelasin ke kamera. Kalau dia terlalu dekat, makanannya akan terlalu ngeblur. Jadi dia harus ada jarak di antara makanan supaya AI-nya bisa recognize food-nya.
Iya, tapi bukan itu yang diharapkan orang yang mau beli barang itu kan. Jadi jawabannya itu mestinya saat ini karena kami masih memakai kamera
Endoskopi.
yang kamera
yang-
endoskop. Jadi dia fungsinya belum secanggih kamera HP gitu. Nanti in the future we also will upgrade the camera.
Yang autofocus misalkan.
Jadi maksudnya ini prototype dan memang banyak kelemahannya. Jadi setiap kali pertanyaannya menyerang kelemahannya si prototype ini, nggak apa-apa diakui aja. Cuma nanti dibilang akan di-upgrade.
Dibela ya, dibela.
Akan
Jangan
di-upgrade
dibela,
gitu.
maksudnya iya ini karena kameranya masih kamera
Endoskop.
endoskop. Belum secanggih kamera HP. Jadi masih butuh jarak supaya bisa melihat makanan dengan jelas gitu. Tapi nanti in the future kita akan pakai kamera yang lebih baik. Gitu.
Yang kualitasnya lebih baik ya.
Ini lagi mampus. How do you wash the spoon? That's an explanation.
How do you wash the spoon?
Untuk sementara kami
Wipe,
tar mikir dulu.
Enggak, gampang aja maksudnya.
Kami
It's
kami
simple.
Enggak, gak usah digituin. Gak usah diajarin caranya karena bukan ini yang akan
Iya.
dijual. Kan? Bukan
Ya,
ini yang
ya.
akan dijual kan?
Jadi untuk
This is not
sementara
the product that we will send to this is not the final product for the launch. This is just the prototype. That's why it looks like this right now and it's completely not waterproof. So we cannot wash this and we cannot use it to sell for now. Intinya gitu aja. Gak usah dibilang ya nanti yang dicuci ini doang, gak usah. Intinya ya memang gak bisa dicuci karena ini belum waterproof.
Masih prototype.
Okay,
Sebagai
jadi
prototype.
this is not the final product. This is just prototype and it's definitely looks not waterproof. You guys can even joke about it, okay? Soal itu. Gitu terus. Kayaknya. Ya. Ini kalau misalnya ini codingnya Gang. How can you explain the formula for the code to get the Celsius temperature? Why it detects hot?
Arduino
Well.
baca itu.
Coba Teteh bisa jawab gak?
Aku
What is the
tapi
formula to
Kan
Ini jawabannya juga gak bagus. Ini memang pakai AI banget
oh
ini.
iya, yang Sabrina hafalin itu yang di mobil itu yang itu, tapi nggak bagus ya.
Gak bagus.
Oh, nggak
Karena
bagus.
ini kan dari AI gini
Oh,
kan. Yang
oke.
dibikin sama
Sama Mr. Hafiz ya. Makanya dari tadi di mobil ngapalinnya yang itu.
algebra?
Jangan bayangin kalau juri nanya itu
Oh iya, oke.
tendensinya kemana gitu. Kayaknya ini nggak mungkin ditanya lah ya. Maksudnya kan,
I'm not an algebra guy. I don't really know.
Yang
Just
paling
look
mungkin-
it up.
ya maksudnya bilang aja we don't know the math formula, but Pictobles make it very easy to set up.
Well, I'm not an algebra guy, so I actually don't know. We searched it up and put it in Pick-a-Blocks, and
search it on the internet.
we searched it on the internet how to do it, and then we put in the equations into Pick-a-Blocks, and that's how we did it. I really don't know the formula.
Udah nggak usah kepanjangan coba. Ini the second I need the internet to work. Ini pertanyaan, aduh pusing. Ya ini lagi-lagi kan kalau saat ini iya because this one yes because this is just the prototype again. But in the future we plan to use offline AI chip so it can work anywhere. Offline AI chip.
If we try to make it offline but also wireless at the same time, that's kind of contradictory, don't you think?
Not really. If you have the database on the apps.
I mean, we could do it also a bit hybrid. The actual thing works offline, but for like extra, you need online.
Enggak kan data kan kamu saja bisa loh nak dipakai offline karena kan semua orang tinggal datanya kan.
Database-nya. Kalau
Ya,
database-nya
ini
ada di dalam.
It's possible kok itu. Oke.
Yang hanya perlu dilakukan itu adalah upgrading. Kalau nanti dia udah jadi apps. Nah.
Yeah, that
Ini
works.
pertanyaannya tuh semuanya ada di website gitu, ngapain ditanya sama? Maksudnya sudah dijelaskan gitu. How
Benar.
did you divide the work? Kan udah dijelasin pas
How did you
presentasi
divide
nggak
the
mungkin
work?
ditanya.
Itu tadi yang
lagi.
paling mungkin itu ditanya nak, yang prototype itu. Jadi misalnya kayak yang tadi kan, yang bahan itu bisa dicuci apa enggak,
Kamu udah hancur.
ya kan? Itu yang harus dipikirin. Lihat aja, kamu nggak apa-apa
aku punya
bikin jokes juga,
pertanyaan.
nggak apa-apa.
Apa
It's
pertanyaan?
not waterproof, I'll tell you
Kan
that. You know,
kan
prison.
ini kan pakai
So,
buzzer.
no, you can't wash it. Unfortunately.
Kan ini
Pakai buzzer.
kan ini kan pakai suara. Apakah dia bakalan mengganggu di publik? Kan misalnya makan nih di publik nih. Apakah dia mengganggu orang sekitar atau gimana nih? Gimana cara menyelesaikannya?
Kan tadi udah dijelasin.
Iya sih.
Pas presentasi udah dijelasin kan.
Bukan jadi vibrate.
Wi-Fi berarti benar.
Kalau suaranya ngeganggu
Kan
kan?
tadi udah dijelasin agama.
Nggak suara ngomongnya.
Enggak.
Oh, suara
Kayaknya
ngomong.
nggak bakal ditanya karena udah dijelasin kan.
Iya sih.
Tapi kalau ditanya
Unless they
lagi
want.
ya bilang kayak gitu, that's our plan as well gitu. Karena juga kan orang buta nggak suka suara kan. Ini yang kemarin aku tanya aja deh, how many food types can it detect?
Nah,
Oh,
There are
as
eight.
current-
Eight. I have count the types. There is 8 for now.
Enggak.
Enggak.
Yang kalian
It's eight.
jawab, enggak, yang kalian jawab yang database yang lebih besar aja. Langsung.
the big one, yeah.
Mm-mm.
Also, it's not A. Oh wait, actually, it is the excluding the strawberry, of course.
Mm-mm. Enggak, yang database yang lebih besar aja. Database yang lebih besar itu, jadi nanti kalau diminta tunjukin Google Machine Learning-nya, buka yang sebelumnya yang agak nanti disiapin ya di laptop ini ya.
Yeah.
Google Machine Learning-nya. Jadi di situ lebih banyak data. Jadi kalau misalnya ditanya bisa
Bisa
tunjukin
dilihat
yang
itu.
itu. Ada berapa?
14. As currently.
Tadi gimana jawabnya?
40 ya.
How many food types can it detect?
As of currently, we have 14. Actually, if we include the salad, the soup, and chicken, we already have chicken and eggs. But if we include the salad, actually, salad plus is greens. Peanuts. If we include the
Jangan
peanuts.
kayak gitu cara jawabnya.
Iya.
You sound not confident.
No,
Yang benar.
this is BTS.
Kan bilang aja
Iya.
18 categories with hundreds pictures per category kan.
15 categories. As of currently.
Right now we already uploaded berapa?
Well, if we were to count the peanuts, and since everything here is already on the database, the peanuts is the only one that
Cara
isn't. It would be
jawabnya apa yang
15.
dijawabnya ya?
Ayo.
Iya, coba.
15 categories as of currently. We are still planning to add many more as this is still the prototype. So once we actually launch it, we'd have more than just 15.
Oh, right now we already uploaded foods from 15 categories and each of the category has hundreds images.
More than 50.
More than 50 images. Okay. Udah sesimpel kali jawabnya.
Right now we have uploaded 15 several images of 15 categories of food, such as fish, rice, and bread, and many more. Each class has at least more than 50 images.
Nah,
We're still planning to add more in the future.
Ya, cukup.
terus ini did you test it with a real user? Ini Sabrina juga.
Kami sudah berbicara kepada beberapa orang buta dan mereka bersetuju untuk mencobanya.
Bilangnya gini ya,
Untuk sekarang.
Untuk sekarang belum, tapi kami sudah berbicara kepada beberapa orang buta dan mereka setuju untuk mencobanya.
Gitu.
Nggak, sebaiknya bilang bukan kami, jadi orang tua kami aja. Karena agak nggak make sense kan anak kecil nyari koneksi sendiri kan.
Orang tua
Maksudnya
kami
saat ini
berarti.
belum, tapi orang tua kami sudah
Sudah berbicara kepada
dengan
beberapa orang
orang.
buta dan mereka
Ya,
setuju.
orang buta, tunanetra,
Tunanetra.
Apa ya difabel? Difabel.
difabel penglihatan atau kawan apa nih?
Disabilitas.
Bisa.
Bisa namanya kawan buta. Apa ya?
Kawan buta, bukan
Kawan buta ya.
Orang buta.
teman buta, kayak teman tuli kan,
Kayak teman tuli.
kepada teman-temannya yang ya bingung juga aku ngomongnya.
Kami sudah berbicara dengan beberapa
Orang
teman
tua
tuli,
kami.
Teman buta.
teman buta, gitu.
Teman buta ya gitu ya.
Teman buta.
Mereka tertarik untuk
Oke,
Hmm.
ngerti. Coba sendiri ngomong.
Belum.
Saat ini
belum dites. Tapi kami sudah berbicara kepada teman-teman orang tua kami.
orang tua kami.
Orang tua kami sudah berbicara kepada teman-teman yang buta dan mereka setuju untuk mencobanya.
Mereka tertarik.
Tertarik untuk mencobanya.
Kalau setuju nggak dipaksa gitu. Oh, anak gue nih bikin gitu.
Tertarik ya.
Tertarik ya.
Tertarik untuk.
Terus itu tadi, what happen if it gets the food wrong? Is that dangerous?
Pikir dulu, Tan.
Well, yes, it would be dangerous if the spoon got wrong, but that is exactly why we keep updating it to make sure it isn't wrong. So in the future, we plan to make it more accurate. We'll pick more food categories.
Oh, sama ini
And
dia coba
more-
bilang, and we like to train the AI to not give the answer if it's not certain. Maksudnya kalau dia nggak yakin jawabannya apa, AI-nya suruh bilang, I don't know about this food right now, gitu. I'm not sure. Atau gimana gitu lah.
Atau makanan belum terdeteksi gitu.
Iya.
Dia akan memberikan
Belum ada di sistem kami. Jadi kan, oh iya sebenarnya harusnya bisa self learning ya, karena kan habis itu kan dia bisa ambil fotonya terus search
Betul,
di
persis
internet.
memang begitu.
Heeh.
Nanti di ujungnya akan begitu. Jadi bukan cuma mereka yang melakukan, tapi juga si penggunanya juga bisa melakukan.
Did you know how to explain it?
Self-learning.
Iya, tapi kan to make it
Well, if it did get the food wrong, obviously that would be dangerous. But that is exactly why we'll keep on updating the spoon, making it better, making more features, adding more categories with more pictures, make it more accurate. Maybe even, again, that self-learning feature. So if it sees a food it doesn't know, it can learn by its own about that food and it will recognize that food.
ya how-nya itu. How-nya kan
Penggunanya
the
bisa.
camera can take the picture and browse the internet about that food, about that new food.
Like, I'm not sure, but maybe we could make it so the camera could take a picture of it, search up the internet on about that food, and maybe add it to its database and train itself.
And another way is the user itself can also upload that picture and the information by themselves via the app.
Another way is that the user can photo the picture of the food and upload it, give a description via the app we're going to build in the future.
Ini yang tadi udah tahu kan, ini dua-duanya kalian udah tahu jawabannya kan. How did you collect your training data or images?
Kenapa sih pakai
Untuk sebagian
Terlalu capek Sabrina.
untuk sebagian yang di
untuk sebagian untuk
untuk yang ada di
sini kami memoto satu persatu mengambil foto dengan angle yang berbeda. Untuk makanan yang belum ada di sini kami ambil dan kami download dari internet.
gitu, bukan? Betul.
Ya, sama aja.
Sama aja.
Tapi kira-kira maksudnya apa? Kami banyak mengambil
Foto dari internet.
tapi juga
Mengambil
makanan yang kami foto-foto sendiri.
Nah, iya seperti itu.
Ya gitu.
Sip.
Iya.
Terus, what was the hardest part of making it?
Nah,
Ah,
sok teh.
Tenang.
Pertama
pertama jarak antara aku dan Agam. Agam di Pulau Jawa, saya di Pulau Sumatera. Yang kedua adalah membuat casing, karena keterbatas di Metro yaitu tidak bisa membuat yaitu tidak ada 3D printer. Makanya saya berinisiatif untuk casingnya dijadikan akrilik saja. menggunakan akrilik. Dan yang ketiga,
Kala, lupa. Nana katila.
Dan ketiga,
casing.
Tapi di kalau pertanyaan kayak gini
Jangan-
jangan terlihat langsung udah tahu jawabannya. Jadinya
Kayak mikir-mikir aja
kayak
dulu
susah banget
gitu.
bikinnya, susah. Apa ya yang susah ya?
gitu.
Pura-pura kayaknya ini gampang gitu loh bikinnya.
Nah,
Jadi maksudnya karena nggak kepikiran hal susahnya gitu. Oh iya gitu karena saya
jarak
sama Agam
antara aku dan
jauh,
Agam,
gitu.
Agam di Jawa.
Oh iya,
aku di
kesibukan
Sumatera.
masing-masing juga.
Terus kita
Kesibukan
sibuk.
masing-masing kayak sekolah, les,
Dan lomba-lomba
Jadi
lainnya.
set waktu untuk meeting agak susah.
Iya, jadi kayak agak mikir gitu teh.
Terus
Ya,
baru,
gitu.
baru bilang juga, terus juga yang susah waktu bikin akrilik ini.
Akrilik tuh.
Bikin akrilik
Karena
ini.
di Metro ini tidak ada 3D printing.
3D
Tidak ada 3D
printing.
printer.
Iya, betul. Jadi
Itu gosok yang langsung gitu jangan gitu tadi
ketahuan ada
Wah,
belajar.
susah banget nih ininya apa bikinnya gitu.
susah
Jadi
banget.
pede aja sama jawaban itu. Agam ada yang mau ditambahin kalau what was the hardest part of making it?
the emotional distress when we kept getting errors.
Bener sih, emang.
Boleh.
Nggak apa-apa.
Gak apa-apa.
Because
Gitu.
Curhat.
for some reason, every time we kept trying to do the picture blocks in the web version,
The pixel blocks.
the teachable machine blocks kept turning to red hats.
Entong dikitu-kitu. Astagfirullah.
Itu kalau lagi sering grogi ya.
Iya.
Iya itu kan
Suka
pasti
luka.
emang kebiasaan orang kalau grogi itu pegang
Pegang
hidung.
hidung.
Soalnya itu sering
Luka.
tanda-tanda orang bohong tuh kan kalau sering
Kamu bohong.
Enggak,
maksudnya
enggak, pas tidur emang bangun-bangun. Astagfirullah, kenapa udah merah?
karena stres.
Jangan digaruk terus.
Itu,
Tiba-tiba
terus,
bangun-bangun.
What did you learn from this project? Kemarin?
Ayo, learn.
Kerja sama tim dan menumbuhkan empati kami terhadap orang-orang dengan gangguan penglihatan maupun orang-orang yang buta secara permanen. Dan juga ini adalah hal yang saya impikan dari kecil, yaitu membuat alat yang bisa membantu lingkungan dan sekitar,
Lingkungan sosial dan
sekitar.
sosial dan
Dan
lingkungan.
sosial dan lingkungan.
Keselin.
Bermanfaat bagi sosial dan lingkungan.
Yang
Gimana
bermanfaat bagi
jawabannya?
sosial dan lingkungan.
Bagus gak apa bagus.
Kalau Agam nanti kalau misalnya
Ditanyanya kamu,
ada juri bule,
Ada ciri bola.
We learned, all of us learned about the struggles of people with disabilities, as well as how to communicate with another person who's separated by the entire island. An entire island.
apa?
An entire island.
Enggak, pokoknya kamu dengar jawaban Sabrina. Kalau udah dibilang Sabrina, nggak perlu diulang lagi. Kecuali memang ada yang mau ditambahin. Oke?
baju.
Iya, jadi maksudnya kalau misalnya Sabrina lupa menjelaskan sesuatu, kamu
Tambahin.
boleh tambahin. Kamu
Nah.
nggak perlu mengulang apa yang sudah Sabrina bilang. Oke?
Udah pusing ya, rambut udah kemana-mana.
Jurinya siapa aja sih?
Jurinya ada